Good morning, Totsuka Elementary School. I'm Diana Soria Yoshida, your English teacher. I'm the broadcaster for today. How's the weather today? Yes, it's sunny today. What day is it today? Yes, it's January 8, 2026. What? Oh, I forgot. How are you? Yes, I'm fine too. Thank you. What day is it today? It's Thursday. Now we will talk about our lunch menu. Today's lunch menu is spaghetti, salad, and milk. Did you know that spaghetti is famous in Italy? We have lots of spaghetti in Italy. There are many kinds of spaghetti, many shapes. So, I have a question. What is our spaghetti today? A. Tomato spaghetti. B. Carbonara. C. Bolognese. The answer is A. Tomato spaghetti. Now, what is Diana's favorite spaghetti? A. Tomato spaghetti. B. Carbonara. C. Bolognese. The answer is B. Carbonara. Now, our broadcasting is finished today. See you tomorrow.